Raja Yordania yang Mulia Abdullah II menambah deretan pimpinan dunia yang memberikan selamat kepada Prabowo Subianto atas perolehan hasil sementara Pilpres 2024. Ucapan itu direkam dan diunggah di akun Instagram pribadi Prabowo Subianto Selasa 12 Maret. Terdengar Raja Yordania begitu senang atas keberhasilan Prabowo dan teks sabar ingin berkunjung ke Indonesia untuk mengucapkannya secara langsung. Raja Abdullah II juga mengatakan jika dirinya tahu bahwa Indonesia membutuhkan Prabowo sebagai pemimpin. Keduanya juga saling berbalas panggilan sebagai sahabat dan kawan. Raja Abdullah bahkan mengatakan kapanpun dan apapun yang diinginkan Prabowo, dirinya akan membantu.
Thank you, Your Majesty. I'd like to maybe call on you maybe in the next few weeks, if possible.
And when the time is right, I want to come and visit you and congratulate you in person. I am so happy for you, and I know that your country needs you, has needed you for a long time, and I couldn't be prouder of my friend.
Thank you, Your Majesty. Thank you. I really value your friendship, and I hope to see you as soon as possible.
Anytime, and anything you need,
Thank you, Your Majesty. Thank you. I look forward to see you again.
Well,
I have fond memories.
I think please call me Abdullah.
I have fond memories of Aman. Fond memories of Aman.
I have fond memories of you too, my dear friend, and I'm so hearing your voice today put me in a very good mood. Thank you so much.
My best regards to Her Majesty. My best regard to Her Majesty, and to Prince Faisal, Prince Ghazi. I would like to meet them all again.
I would love to. I told my wife today that I was calling you, and she was so excited, and she sends her best wishes, my dear friend. We'll see you soon, either in my country or yours.
Thank you, Your Majesty. Thank you. Great honor.
Take care.
Great
Take
honor.
care.
Thank you.
Take care.
Thank you.
Bye.
Download Tribun X sekarang, menghadirkan lokal menjadi Indonesia.